This young man, John, his grandfather had this pickup and he inherited it from his grandmother, and I sold it to his grandfather. We met and it was fun talking with him, and made me think back of when I sold his grandfather the vehicles, and I think this is kind of his pride and joy, and I know that his grandmother is thrilled that he is excited about the vehicle like Grandpa was. And it was just a relationship thing that we do, and that's what car business is about. If you take good care of people and are honest with them, they'll continue to come back.